Hello students, we learn about 2.1. We solve example from 2.1 by using Pythagoras theorem, 360 degree, 30, 60, 90 degree theorem, and also now we learn about Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem using in practice set number 2.2. So now we learn about Apollonius theorem. What is the Apollonius theorem? Okay, so I draw here some triangle, one triangle, give the name A, B, C. In the figure, triangle A, B, C, and M is the midpoint of line BC. M is the midpoint. If M is midpoint, I write here M is midpoint. M is midpoint of segment BC. If M is the midpoint, that time BM is equal to CM. BM and CM are congruent. Therefore, BM congruent CM. Segment BM congruent segment CM. Now I draw vertex A, segment vertex A to point M. M is the midpoint. That means AM is median. AM is median. Okay. Now the Apollonius theorem is, what did he say? He say AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square. Okay. AB square plus AC square is equal to, AB and AC are the vertex of median. Median is the vertex set. That means AB and AC square is equal to 2 median square. Median is AM. 2 into AM square plus 2 into one part of the opposite of vertex A, one part BM, otherwise CM. We can take CM or BM. So I will take here 2 BM square. This is the theorem of Apollonius. Apollonius said AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square, square of median, plus 2BM square. Here we can take CM also. Okay. Look at the board. Now I will take another example. I draw here another figure. Triangle name is PQR, and I draw median here PT. PT is median. PT is median. Now, what is the Apollonius theorem? Here name. Okay. So now, which two sides? PR and PQ. So square of PR square plus PQ square is equal to. Now, PT is median, therefore T is midpoint. So QT is equal to PR. Now, so 2 median square, PT is median square, plus 2 into one part of. You can take QT or TR. So I will take here QT square. Okay. By using this theorem, we can solve example from 2.2. Okay. Look at the board, and after that we can solve examples. By using Apollonius theorem, we can solve practice set number 2.2. For example, example number 1 is, I write here In triangle PQR, point S is midpoint. Look at in triangle PQR. So I draw here triangle PQR. PQR. And what did he say? Point S is the midpoint of side QR. So where is QR? Look at here. This side is QR. So S is midpoint. S is midpoint. So here QS is equal to SR. Now, midpoint of side QR. If PQ is equal to 11, where is PQ? Here. PQ is equal to 11. PR is equal to 17. PR is 17. PS is equal to 30. Here. PS. PS is equal to 13 and find QR. QR means QS plus SR. QS plus SR. Otherwise, QS into 2 is equal to QR because S is midpoint. So first of all, find out QS or SR. Okay. By using Apollonius theorem, we can solve it. Okay. In given figure, PS, S is midpoint of segment QR. S is midpoint of segment QR. Therefore, PS is become median. Okay. Now, if PS is median, that time use Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem is say PQ square plus PR square. So write here PQ square plus PR square. Okay. PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2 into square of median. PS is median. So write here 2 PS square plus, take any part. If you take QS, otherwise you can take SR also. So I will take here QS. 2 QS square. Apollonius theorem. By using Apollonius theorem. Now, PQ square. PQ is 11. So write here 11 square plus PR square. PR is 17. So write here 17 square is equal to 2 into PS square. The length of PS is 13. So write here 2 into 13 square plus 2. Now QS square. QS is not fine. So write here 2 into QS square. Okay. Now square of 11. How many? Is 121 plus square of 17 is 289. Shabas. 289 is equal to 2 into square of 13. Square of 13 169. Okay. Now plus 2 into QS square. Now addition of 121 and 289. Okay. 9 plus 1 is 10. So write here 0. 1 carry. 8 plus 2. 10 plus 1. 11. So 1. Write here 1. 1 is carry. So 2 plus 1. 3. 3 plus 1. 4. 410 is equal to. Now multiplication of 2 into 169. So 2 nines are 18. Right here 8. 1 carry. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 30. 1 carry. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 3 38 plus 2 into QS square. Now 338 is right hand side plus here, so we come to left side, that time will be minus. So 410 minus 338 is equal to 2 into QS square. Now 410 minus 338. 410 minus 338. Okay, here 0 it become 10. 10 minus 8 2. 0 minus 3 not done. So here is 3 and here 10. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 7 and 3 minus 3 0. Okay, so 72 is equal to 2 into QS square. Now 2 multiply to QS, 2 become here divided. So 72 upon 2 is equal to QS square. 2 ones are 2. Here 2 threes are 6. 1 remaining. So write here in your mind. So 12. 2 6 are 12. So QS square is equal to 36. 36 is the square number of 6. So your answer is QS is equal to 6. Okay, QS is the one part of QR. Is here 6. So they said find QR. QR is the double of QS. So I write here. Now QR is equal to 2 into QS. 2 into QS because S is midpoint. So write here because S is midpoint. S is midpoint. Okay. So QR is equal to 2 into QS. The length of QS we find here 6. 6. Okay. So QR is equal to 6 to the 12. Okay. What is the unit? Here does not give a unit. So write here 12 unit. Okay. Look at the board now. By using Apollonius theorem, we can solve this example. Now second example. Second example in a triangle ABC. So draw here triangle ABC. I draw here ABC. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 10. So write here AB is equal to 10. After that, given AC. AC is equal to 7. Where is AC? Is here. AC is 7. BC is 9. BC is 9. So BC is given. All the sides are given here of triangle ABC. Then find the length of the median. But where is median? After that he said drawn from point C. From point C. From point C. C is here. Point C towards side AB. So C I write here M. CM is median to side AB. That means AM is equal to BM. Okay. So we can write here CM is median. CM is median. That means AM is equal to BM is equal to half of AB. Half of AB is equal to 1 upon 2 into AB. Length of AB is 10. That means 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. AM is equal to BM is equal to 5. Okay. So AM is equal to 5 here. Now find the length of median. Now we can find that median, length of median by using Apollonius theorem. Okay. Now I write here Apollonius theorem. You can write also here by using Apollonius theorem. Okay. Now what is the Apollonius theorem? Apollonius theorem is, now the median vertex point is C. So which two sides we can take? First one is AC and second one is BC. Okay, so AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square is equal to AC square plus BC square is equal to now 2 into square of median. So write here 2 and median is CM square plus one part. You can take AM, otherwise you can take BM also. So I will take here AM. 2 AM square. Okay, now put the value AC. Length of AC is 7, so write here 7 square plus length of BC, how many? Is 9, so write here 9 square is equal to 2 into CM square. Length of CM, find out, so write here CM square plus 2 into M square. AM is, we can find here AM 5, so write here 5 square. Okay, 7 square plus 9 square is equal to 2 into CM square plus 2 into 5 square. Now the square of 7 is 49. Okay, plus square of 9. Square of 9 is 81. Okay, 81 is equal to 2 into CM square plus 2 into square of 5 is 25. Okay, 41 plus 81. 49. So 49 plus 81 is equal to 130 is equal to 2 into CM square plus 25 to the 50. 50 is here the positive. Positive 15 is right hand side. So become come in left hand side, plus 50 become minus 50. So write here 130 minus 50 is equal to 2 into CM square. Okay, 130 minus 50. 130 minus 50 is 80. Here is 2 into CM. So 2 is right side into means multiply. So become left hand side, that means divided. Okay, so 80 divided by 2 is equal to CM square. Okay, now 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are how many? 2 fours are 2 fours are 8 and 2 zeros are 0. So CM square is equal to 40. Is it 40 is square number? The square numbers are, look at here, square number are 4, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Okay, is the less than 40. Okay, now which square number is divisible to 40? So we can take 4. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So write here CM is equal to, in root square, in root 4 into 10. Okay, now 4 is the square number, so CM is equal to 4 is the square number. So outside of the root, so become 2 root 10 is the length of CM. So median is, find the length of the median, and we write here CM is median. So CM is equal to 2 root 10 and unit is not given, so write here 2 root 10 unit. Okay, now look at the board now. Now practice set number 2.2, example number is 4. In this given example, in triangle ABC, we draw here triangle ABC. Point M is midpoint. M is midpoint, that means BM is equal to CM. Okay. Of side BC. AB square plus AC square is given 290 square centimeter. And AM is the median, is given 8 centimeter. And find the BC, length of BC. So we can use Apollonius theorem and find out CM or BM. Any one. If BM find out, that time double of BM is equal to BC. So we use here Apollonius theorem. Okay. So given things is M is the midpoint. M is midpoint of segment BC. That means AM is median. AM is median. Okay, now use Apollonius theorem. By using Apollonius theorem. By using Apollonius theorem. Okay, what is the Apollonius theorem? AM is median. So AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square. Okay. AB square plus AC square. After that is equal to 2 into median square. So median is M. So M square is equal to 2 AM square plus 2 BM or CM. Take any one because BM and CM are equal. So I will take here BM. 2 BM square. Now put the value. AB square plus AC square is given here 290. AB square plus AC square. So I write here AB square plus AC square is equal to 290 is equal to 2 into AM. AM is given 8 centimeter. AM is given here 8. So write here 8 square plus 2 into BM is given, not given. So write here BM square. Okay. After that, 290 is constant and left hand side is equal to 2 into 8 square. The square of 8. Square of 8 is 64 plus 2 into BM square. Now 290 is equal to 64 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12 plus 2 into BM square. Okay. Now 128 is positive plus 128 in right hand side. So in the left hand side 128 will be minus. So write here 290 minus 128 is equal to 2 into BM square. BM square is remaining in right hand side. Okay. Now 290 minus 128. We can do here 290 minus 128. Okay. 0 minus 8 not done. So write here 8 and 1 will be here. 10 minus 8 2. 8 minus 2 6. 2 minus 1 1. So answer is 162. So 290 minus 128 is equal to 162 is equal to 2 into BM square. So now 2 in the right hand side is multiple. So left hand side will be divisible. So 162 divided by 2 is equal to BM square. Now 2 ones are 2. Here is 16 number 16. So 2 8s are 16. 2 ones are 2. So BM square is equal to 81. 81 is the square of 9. So answer is BM is equal to 9. What unit? Unit is given centimeter. So write here centimeter. Okay. Our BM, length of BM. BM is 9. So what will we find out? BC. So BC is double of BM because M is midpoint. So right here BC is equal to 2 into BM because M is midpoint. M is midpoint. So now BC is equal to 2 into length of BM. BM is 9 centimeters. So right here 9. So BC is equal to 9 to the 18. And unit is centimeter. So right here centimeter. So length of BC we find here is equal to 18 centimeter by using Apollonius theorem. Okay, look at the board now. Okay. Now we learn about Pythagoras theorem, 30, 60, 90 degree theorem, geometric mean, Apollonius theorem, 45, 90 degree theorem. So you can use all this theorem to solve problem set number 2. So maximum example you can solve by using all these theorems. So homework is solve problem set number 2. Okay, thank you.